that we've come today. Me, Mum and Dad. But only I can find a floaty. And it's a kiddie one as well. So. So Mum's still not got a floaty. I'm still on my kiddie one. And Dad, he got one, but now he's stuck behind with the pack. That's Dad there. Minutes. Team Boat Springs family raft ride. It's really hot today though, like as in you can't even walk on the ground unless you're it's like wet or in the shade.
I don't want to go backwards again.
Oh, no, I'm backwards.
Thank God.
See anything, I was proper panicking. Here he comes.
Please remain seated. The service will resume moving momentarily.
Gotta spit the whole film.
Hey, double dippers. Please remember that to take this dip, you must be at least 48 inches tall.
And we're going up to the toboggan races. I'm ready. On your mark. Let's Ew.
Please stop. Have fun on the slope.
There's a snake in the tree.
Remember that to take this dip, you must be at least 48 inches tall. For a safe...
Tater tots, barbecue, bacon, pulled pork, sandwich, Powerade, and a Diet Coke.
Beautiful.
We're going on this one. Bye! You may be thinking, Amelie, why is the pool so quiet? Because they've kicked us all out because of weather. There must be weather over there within the 5 mile radius, lightning and thunder. We're now just having a walk around the rest of the water park. Tonight we're going to Woody's Roundup, so we've got to get ready for the night. We didn't make it back in time. So now we're trying to wait for it to pass. That was over there somewhere. It was right above us earlier and that was over there, so passing. As soon as the lightning's gone, we can walk. We had a good day at the water park, but cut short obviously because of the rain. Now we're heading to Hollywood Studios to Woody's Roundup, Rodeo Roundup, whatever, for dinner. And we are going. Our reservation's at 7:20. It's like 6:30 now, so we can walk there in good time.
Did you see pants, honestly?
Dad banged his head on the door.
Did you see stuff?
Took a big chunk out.
I'm not even.
And he's taken a chunk out of his elbow in the water park today. He's on one. He's on.
I'm going to sue Disney for this.
Do you feel sick?
You never do it too early, can you? Hey?
To get through security properly, you have to hold out your umbrella like this.
Yeah. Way before, about half a mile before.
And they got stopped. It's so busy. And that is where we're heading in for dinner tonight. Do you want to ride the toy horse to the table? We have to ride the horse in.
To the dino and give a big roll. The one, the only.
So they've said, so basically, we're in Woody's Roundup Rodeo, whatever, and as you would have seen, they just did a random dance party. Also, they said, when they say Andy's coming, you have to be still, and when they say Sid's coming, you have to be still and hide.
I'm not sure about drinks. I don't think
It's like we're toys, and this is their world, like we're the toys in their world, so it's quite fun, we'll see. So how it works is basically this is like a set menu. You can pick either this or this. So this is the meat one, and then or you can pick the veggie one, which obviously we're going to go for the barbecue meat one, which you get ribs, brisket,
We have to hide.
sausage, and barbecue chicken. You get all of these sides as well. So coleslaw, corn on the cob, mac and cheese, baked beans, and potato barrel. And then you can get some desserts as well.
now.
I'm a little biased, but I think it's pretty delicious.
Should we keep it?
Yeah.
Keep it, we might just.
Thank you.
What's happening? What's happening?
Hey, Bozo! Get back here!
It's Sid.
I repeat,
We've got to hide.
Sid is approaching the rodeo. Save yourselves and assume your positions in 3, 2, 1.
All right! Cowboy toys! I've always wanted to send one off into the sunset.
Well done, cowpokes. As you were.
Thank goodness for that.
Yard sale. Guys, hold your horses. There's a yard sale.
Andy's approaching. Andy's approaching.
Assume your positions in 3, 2, 1.
Where is it? I know I left it around here somewhere. Mom! Have you seen my cowboy belt buckle? I can't find it. Ah! It's rodeo
Strawberry shortcake, blueberry pie, chocolate something, and a banana pie.
What's the other?
Porky! Just to let you know, all of that was $49.99 each, and that was the drink, starter, main, literally unlimited as well, may I add, and dessert. She was like, do you want any more meat or any sides? So we got extra tater tots and extra meat.
That was good, wasn't it?
This is cool at night, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
It's very cool at night.
Right, where?
Just gonna sit here and spin in circles until they do. Now I'm just gonna
No.
It is lightning. Whoa! Did you get that? That was wow good. Did you see four? But they were orange. They were orange.
Don't stand literally in my way.
Whoa! Oh, no forks that time. Whoa! Whoa! Come on, I'm feeling it. Whoa!
We're heading into the boardwalk.
Entertainers and stuff. But you get the vibe, don't you?
Okay, well, we'll see how this goes. We've never done this before. I need you to stick your hands behind you. Your job is just to look beautiful, okay? All right, Disney and I princess. Jump in now. And you are going to jump in to the backwards double dutch. And do a handstand. Oh, and we made it!
He was alright. I think he's really special.
I mean,
Just to like him or
you
not?
look like the underneath of a ray.
See?
That's a horror film face, that is.
I'll put it what is it called?
We're heading out to get an Uber home. We've just gotten back. It's 10:51. Oh, park hop day tomorrow and an early start, so going to bed.